I have property in Baod that God entrusted to me. I get that property when I was in Hong Kong. My salary in Hong Kong, I invest my salary in Hong Kong in buying land. So it is 400 square meter land, 400 square meter land, and I build a small house already there. And that small house will be used for kids ministry that I am going to do. But this time, because I am alone, I cannot do everything at the same time because I need to clean the place, and build a chair, a bamboo chair, which is I am the one will do it because it's expensive to have labor. But I pray, I hope God, please, please provide me a man to do the work. Because the church that I'm attending with, they are busy also. They are working people. So they have also ministries, facing ministries of their own. So me, I cannot, the youth is at school, colleges, like that. So no one can help me, organizing the place to have kids chair